Rod, if you could just go over the types of cases that you've seen over the years that were from Texas exposure.
Well, Texas is obviously a huge state, so we get in basically every type of meso case there is. But given the concentration of the petrochemical industry, in the Gulf area, which includes Corpus, Houston, Beaumont, you have that collection of plants. So we get a lot of ex-refinery and petrochemical workers that did all kinds of work, from insulation to pipe fitting to machinists to just everybody, even people that were just not doing any of the trades. If they were inside the building when the other trades were working, then they would be exposed to asbestos. So that used to be sort of the primary exposures for say Texas workers, and out of that you get the secondary exposure, which is the wives and the children of these guys that worked in the plants, and they'd bring the asbestos home on their clothes, and that would become airborne, and then unfortunately one of the family members would breathe that in, and then 30 years later they would get mesothelioma. So like I said, Texas is a huge state, so you're going to get every type of exposure there is. But that's what, in the early days, most of the asbestos litigation revolved around.
Right. I just pulled up online and was looking at oil refineries in the U.S. or whatever, and the top 6 oil refineries in the country right now are in Texas. So the cities and ports you just mentioned earlier. So that's kind of fascinating.
It's the petrochemical capital of the world.
Wow.